Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by using the parent or organizer Microsoft account, sign in and confirm it's the one that will manage the family. Once signed in, make sure the device has current OS updates and a steady Wi-Fi connection because setup exchanges settings. Next, install or update the Microsoft Family Safety app on the child device or Open Family. Microsoft. COM on a browser. This puts the tools in place. Doing this now avoids sync errors later, so proceed without delay. Now add the person and their device to the family. From your organizer account, go to Add a Family Member and pick Child or Adult, then invite via email or create a child account for them. Email invites are fastest. Once invited, you must have the child sign into the invited Microsoft account on their device and accept the invite. After acceptance, open Family Safety and enable the device for supervision. Make sure to allow location and activity permissions so monitoring and controls work correctly. Finish by configuring limits and checks from the organizer dashboard. Set screen time schedules, app and game limits, and content filters. These take effect once the device reports in. Verify the child's device appears online in your family dashboard and confirm activity reporting within 24 hours. If things go wrong, check the device's sign in state, grant family safety permissions, confirm app and OS are updated, and restart both devices. These fixes resolve most sync and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.